The rangefinder and their functions of mobile phone are abnormal due to LiDAR failure. How to solve it? Before repairing, unbind the LiDAR code at first. If there is the damaged original LiDAR and the data can be read, normally, you can repair it through the original LiDAR function in Aweshine Assistant. If the original LiDAR was lost or damaged, so the data cannot be read, click iDevice, flash unbind to unbind the rear camera code. Check the precautions, select Auto Download to download the firmware automatically for flashing and unbinding. Take out FC01 programmer and 12 to 15 rear camera LiDAR read and write adapter. Buckle the adapter on FC01. Connect FC01 to computer with data cable. Connect the phone to computer with a data cable. Take out the corresponding programmable LiDAR. Buckle the LiDAR on the corresponding port of the adapter. Then click Cloud Burn, choose original machine. Or flash unbind according to the actual situation. Click OK. Waiting for data burning. Cloud burn succeed. Install it in mobile phone and check. Rangefinder repair is done. IR repair completed and the LiDAR is repaired successfully.